Well, in studio today, I have Ian. No. 3, 2, 1. That's a joke, guys. Guys, don't forget to like
and subscribe
and follow us on social media. Click on the link below. Okay, so Insurance Coffee with Nick today. Duane, how are you doing?
Good, thanks to you, Nick.
Good. We have a genuine comp pilot in the house today. Duane is a fixed wing pilot, financial advisor, and he's looking for pilots out there that he can insure. And generally speaking, these pilots normally get railroaded with high premiums because they're considered a high risk.
To the general public, yes, it seems that way, Nick. But us at Mont Blanc, we look at them as a low risk because generally they do go for annual checkups. If there was something wrong with them from a disease or disability perspective, they won't be the first to know about it.
Early warning.
Early warning, yeah.
Okay, because if you're not a pilot and you're watching this, you don't go for a checkup every year. They have to. So, I mean, prevention is better than cure. So you would find the problem early and sort it out.
Yes.
And of course, that is the magical thing when it comes to insurance companies. They want to hear that. So what happens now if you've got, if you lose your license?
So loss of license, you are covered from disabled perspective, a dread disease perspective.
Okay.
So when you lose your license through
You can't work.
Yeah, you can't work.
So what happens? Do I get paid out? Or what?
You get paid out.
Every month?
Until age 65.
So if you cannot fly, okay, and derive an income from flying, which is your passion and it is your actual occupation, you then get paid out.
Yeah.
Every month till age 65, as you've said. All right, so that's important. A lot of you aviators out there, you love what you do and you wouldn't want to do something else. You want to fly a plane, but you can't now because your license has been revoked, been taken away, you haven't passed your medical. Well, this is an important cover that you need, and you know, Duane, you've recognized this. We've tailor-made something here at Mont Blanc. One of the good reasons to actually be with us and look at specific insurance for pilots, not just a general cover. So those of you that are out there that have general cover, get hold of Duane, guys, and we can give you tailor-made insurance for pilots designed by pilots. And I want to say well done. So pilots, click on the link below, get hold of us. Duane will personally look after you, and happy flying. Cheers.
Cheers.
Guys, don't forget to check out our video
And our channel.
and like and subscribe. Check us out, follow us on social media, and get a quote. Oh no, man. This thing was on silent, sorry.